18 meters. Its glossy green leaves and small, apple-like fruit mask a deadly reality. Yet its beauty is a dangerous illusion. Within its roots, branches, leaves, and even its fruits flow a little concoction. The very air and soil surrounding it are marked by its toxic presence. The milky white sap of the mint-channel tree contains a cocktail of powerful toxins. Foremost among them is farbol, a chemical compound that triggers extreme inflammatory responses in human tissues. Alongside farbol, various terpenes contribute to its severe chemical burns, tissue disintegration, and chronic inflammation. Just a few drops of this sap can cause severe